The teamwork is more than
so
that.
So that's what I told you, that whether the presence of Partey
or not, it will not work.
It will not work.
But for me, I think it worked.
Today, when he came, he played well.
Yes.
But he himself, you could see that when the pressure was on them, he committed some mistakes.
For me, yes.
Partey committed some mistakes.
For me, I think Thomas Partey, he didn't play like the Partey that we used to know. But he wasn't bad. I won't lie. He wasn't that all bad. So Partey present gave room for Rice and Odegaard to dominate, to explore, to attack more. That we didn't see in this game. Yes, we didn't see Odegaard in this game. Declan Rice mistakes here and there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, Arsenal has been booted out. Yes, they chased them away. PSG said, no, you can't do it. And the happiness in me is like Chelsea win Champions League. The happiness in me, as we are speaking now, is like Black Stars win the World Cup. Guys, Arsenal is back to default setting. Arsenal are really bottleless. Arsenal is really Arsenal, I'm telling you. So this season, it means that Arsenal is going trophyless. Arsenal is going trophyless. I can't believe this. I can't see this. Indeed, this is the reason why Chelsea is the pride of London. The only team in London to ever hold the Champions League trophy, Chelsea Football Club. And guys, I hate PSG. Why? Because this season, can you believe this? This season, they beat all the Premier League teams they met on their way. They started with Manchester City, Liverpool, Aston Villa, and now the almighty Arsenal. In fact, guys, if someone tell me they should give the Ballon d'Or to Dembele, I will not disagree. I'm telling you, Dembele owns this year Champions League. Dembele owns Arsenal. I'm telling you. So guys, we are here to give you our opinions, our analysis on this game. Let us hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your opinion about this game. Yes. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm, guys. Issa, Arsenal has been booted out. What is wrong? Because the way we were looking at the game, maybe even some of us were saying that maybe the game will be difficult more than the Inter and Barcelona game.
The game.
Looking at Arsenal dream conceding more goals in the first leg. But unfortunately, Charlie,
earlier on I said it that Arsenal with all their key players still they won't qualify. It's a fact.
Because they beat Madrid.
No, it's a fact. Because Arsenal beating Real Madrid. Real Madrid, Arsenal, because they beat them, it was the perception towards Real Madrid.
Okay.
And Real Madrid performance this year is
not high.
It's not all that high. And because of the injury situation that has happened to Real Madrid.
Let's come to this game.
So now this game, in fact, PSG, it is one of the records that they've done this year for now eliminating all the EPL teams from the.
That is bad.
From
we must go next season to stop them. I'm telling you. So
yes, before the game this year, I keep on saying that Luis Enrique with his boys, they are playing some kind of strikerless system that whenever they are meeting you, they
even this secondly he didn't play.
It means like there is much of the work for your defenders or the opponent defenders
he has to
do. So that kind of role that he's playing, that role is favoring him. You get it? And now there is some kind of teamwork that is in his team, that all the players that when they are playing now, you see that they show some kind of teamwork, commitment, everything is there. So this is also one of the things that PSG people, when they are doing, you see that in the field of playing, they dominate a lot. Now you see that Luis Enrique is in such a way that he plays a particular role that when you look at Achraf Hakimi and Nuno Mendes, that he is playing these guys that whenever they are pressing the opponent, these guys are now playing what counter attack. You get it?
Yes.
So you see them that Achraf Hakimi will now go and be even like he's the one playing the number 7.
Yes.
Now laying all the crosses. He's doing the overlapping.
Yes.
And you see the Nuno Mendes also doing such what the same rule.
Yes.
Overlapping rule. So it means that these kind of two guys, this is the role that they have been playing, and these are the guys that, in fact, whenever they meet them, opponent left, left forward and then the right forward, they find it tedious to use them.
Yes.
So this is one of the things.
Yes.
And look at the Arsenal national team.
He was helping the other guy.
Arsenal national. When you look at the Arsenal club team,
Okay.
Arsenal club team is a team that whenever they are playing their ball, their mentality or their creator or the major boss or the major passes goes to Bukayo Saka.
Yes.
And this is the guy that he has been stopped by Nuno Mendes. So since this guy has been stopped by Nuno Mendes, now majority of the Arsenal work has been what? Covered. It means it has been covered or stopped by Nuno Mendes or the PSG team. And here Martinelli too. Like as they have covered Bukayo Saka, Martinelli should have took that advantage to do that particular way. By him too, he's not able to use what? Achraf Hakimi. So it means in that sense, PSG they have left for Arsenal they are left forward and then they right forward. It has been stopped. They cannot possess through this particular
and Martinez is not that dangerous.
So again, one of the dangerous places that when you look at the EPL and then so far the Champions League that they've played, you see that maybe they've dominated in terms of possession is their Melford. And I was telling you the other day that I know Partey has been performing well.
Yes.
But in football, Champions League, experience matters.
Okay.
You get it. So this particular PSG Melforders that they have right now, with the kind of communication that is between these people, no, it's highly more than the kind of communication that Arsenal Melforders is having.
Yes, the teamwork is more than
so
that.
So that's what I told you that whether the presence of Partey or not,
it will not work.
It will not work.
But for me, I think it worked.
Today, when he came, he played well.
Yes.
But he himself, you could see that when the pressure was on them, he committed some mistakes.
For me, yes.
Partey committed some mistakes. So it tells you that the way that they are going to do is that PSG is in such a way that even them down, even as they are even down by what a goal by Nilsef Kora,
they will not play as if
like they are rushing to get goals. Yes. They will just start the ball cool like this. So as they were leading 1-1, Luis Enrique with his Melforders, he told them, that's why when I'm watching the game, you see that he will call Fabian Ruiz and then the other Melforders that telling them that they should bring the game down. So because the John Neves, Fabian Ruiz and then Vitinha, they have typed the game cool. So they relax, possessing the ball, and any of their passes create chances. If even doesn't create chances first, because when you see that when it is going to Arsenal, there is fear in those passes.
Yes, you can see
but
danger.
Because Arsenal people, they are in hurry to equalize, they are in hurry to get the results.
Yes.
Whenever they get, the Melforders don't control the game. They don't even handle the game to play 1 or 2 before they will not send it. So when they get the ball, either the ball is going direct to Bukayo Saka or Gabriel Martinelli, searching for goals. Any of their ball that they will get, their mentality is to go and score. So that is one of the wickedness that these people has got. So because of their winning, when they are going, all the players will now go. So when they go like this and PSG people get the ball and then they create counter attacks. So that's what PSG people is getting. Look at the chance that Bakola had. Bakola had, and then he released that ball to do it. So it means that this is one of the counter attacks. This is one of the counter attacks. So it means that whenever Arsenal people they get the ball because of their mentality of scoring, all their Melforders and other this in they go. And today the way of their position, Arsenal people I wasn't happy with it.
Why?
Their way of collecting the ball, their positioning.
It was bad.
It was bad because the rotation in terms on the field of play, so you were not seeing all those things in them. Like the rotation, they are dodging and collecting their passes and goal. I didn't see all those things. But PSG this year, I said that the 70% PSG being to the finals, all their players have done well. But the majority of their work is from their goalkeeper Donnarumma. The goalkeeper is saving them.
Yes.
It's a goalkeeper who has sent PSG up to where they are right now.
Yes.
You get it. So it means that there is some places that when you get to, you need a goalkeeper, irrespective
a reliable goalkeeper.
Your performance. So in fact, PSG has done well, and we wish to see them picking the European Champions
for me,
because this is a trophy that they've never won in their life. So this is something that I've seen in the game.
For me, I think Thomas Partey, he didn't play like the Partey that we used to know, but he wasn't bad. I won't lie, he wasn't that all bad. So Partey present gave room for Rice and Odegaard to dominate, to explore, to attack more. That we didn't see in this game. Yes, we didn't see Odegaard in this game. Declan Rice mistakes here and there. For Martinez, he's average. That they are winger, Martinez. He's average winger. Yes, overrated. So for me, I think when it comes to Partey, particular, yes, Partey The second goal they score is like he just mixed on his legs. When you look at the second goal,
he headed the ball and then
no, not the first goal.
The second one.
The second goal also, yes, he was there. The ball just mixed his legs and came, and the guy shoot the ball to score. So Partey didn't play well today. But for me, I think Arsenal winning was up to, you see, Saka, Odegaard and Martinelli and Merino. They were to give Arsenal the win to qualify, but they didn't show up. Not Partey. So I would say Partey present, yes, he didn't play well as I said, but him being in the full supposed to give these players the chance to what? Control the game and score the goals. And when you look at this PSG team, one thing I like about this game for PSG, like they when the game started, they were comfortable. They respected Arsenal.
No,
they gave the ball to Arsenal. When the game started, when you look at the first 10 minutes, Arsenal were looking like they were to score. Donnarumma came in, saved some shots. So when the game started, they respected Arsenal. They said, guys, yes, we know they will come with that full power to equalize. So they gave the ball to them, go back and defend very well. After the first 10 minutes, then they just came out. Boom. That foul Declan Rice caused, and they used and crossed the ball. Partey headed it back. The guy just volleyed it to the back of the net. So this PSG team, I can now see maturity in them. Yes, like it's like they already know the results.
Yes.
You can see that they are playing as if, like, indeed they are Champions League footballers. Yes. So PSG, they deserve all the credit. And maybe because they have experienced manager like Enrique, that is what I was talking to our Chelsea brothers there. That sometimes, yes, we can blame Enzo Maresca, but let's be honest, that is not his level for now. From Leicester City Championship to just be managing Chelsea. So sometimes it's about those doing the appointment. They are the major problem. Enzo Maresca, yes, we know that he's having his but actually we can't blame him.
Luis Enrique, Chelsea started following some coaches.
See, Enrique was there. Barcelona coach was there. Chelsea went and signed Maresca.
Hansi Flick.
Yes,
and all those things.
They were there.
The secret behind these people rejecting Chelsea's signing is that Chelsea people the leaders want to buy players for the coach to use.
No. And the experienced coaches they don't accept that.
They won't accept that. They should rather point their players that they want.
Yes.
And you go to the market and work on those players for them.
That is what I'm saying. That's why
Chelsea
when you look at this, our Chelsea team, it's bigger than Enzo Maresca. Look at this PSG team. Look at all the guys. Martinez, Mendes, yes. Apart from, let me say, Marquinhos and Hakim, who is the experience, nobody can come in front of Enrique front and show his shoulders.
No.
I am this, I am that. No. Yes, he has been in the system, so they will respect him. They will listen to him. They will understand his ideas, respect, because they know who he is.
It's true.
You see, sometimes credibility matters. Sometimes that experience matters. So this PSG team, in fact, this season, they show everything. They show maturity. Yes, they show that indeed, if they win this Champions League, it is, let me say, it is not luck.
Okay.
Let me say it that way.
Okay.
They look at all the teams that they beat. Look at this Liverpool. Liverpool they beat.
It's true.
Liverpool they top the table. When they see when the Premier the Champions League table and they top it. PSG said they came to PSG home. They scored that lucky goal. PSG went to Anfield. They say that you can't come to Anfield and do and what. They went to Anfield and humble Liverpool. So this PSG team, see, if they win the Champions League, for me, I will not be surprised.
Okay.
I'm telling you, they did well. They performed, show everything. As I said, maturity. Another thing I like about their team is their teamwork. Teamwork.
The teamwork is
Charlie,
there.
You can't find a star player in their team. Look at this PSG team. It reminds me of Chelsea 2021. Timo Werner and co, Mason Mount and co, Havertz and co. We were also having that experienced manager from PSG. He sent them to the final. The following season, he came to Chelsea. So he understood the dynamics of the Champions League. So this PSG team, their teamwork is super. It is super. They are helping each other. As I said, Kvaratskhelia will come back to defend. Yes, the other winger will come back to defend. Even their midfielders, they were coming back to their box to help.
It is a role
Vitinha and co.
Yes,
Fabian Ruiz and co. They were coming back to help. So this PSG team, well done, 100%. They booted Arsenal out. I am very happy as a Chelsea fan. The god of football, thank you for doing that. Yesterday, Barcelona was out. Today, Arsenal. What a week for Chelsea fans. And this week also will be Liverpool. What a week, fantastic. See, this week we will be oversleeping. Because the happiness is insane. It's insane. Do you have anything to talk about this Arsenal team?
So maybe I don't have much to talk about the Arsenal team again. I'll say they've done well for being able to contest up to the semi-finals, because where they've reached is, let me just say, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Most of the clubs that even the EPL team of the year was able to reach quarterfinals. Not to talk of what semi-final. So Arsenal people has done well for being able to reach
the winners.
The winners were not able to reach. So
Arsenal, our condolences.
Well. Yes,
our condolences to you guys, ladies. I am super happy. I can sleep well tonight. So guys, let us hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about this game, and our preview will come in Chelsea Newcastle. And I gave you a video about Enzo Maresca. Yes, talking about Enzo Fernandez, Moses Caicedo, and Moses Caicedo contra issue, Chelsea winning mentality. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. And as I said, the preview of Newcastle will be coming very soon. So please don't forget to do what? Turn on the notification bell when any video arrive on this channel. Yes, you will be the first person to see it. And if any transfer news come, I will update you. Yes, any news concerning Chelsea, regarding Chelsea, maybe the Champions League also, I will update you. And please don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. Take care, peace. We can sleep well. Take care.